Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. So guys, finally we have reached 500 subscribers in my channel. Thank you all for your encouragement. So guys, until now we have created the videos related to Python. Complete basic to advanced playlist is available in my channel. And also I have created the videos related to MongoDB. Complete playlist is available. And also interview series which is going very well, in which I have discussed about the important coding interview questions which might come in your interviews. I'll be giving that particular interview series in this video description. You can check out the link and do subscribe the channel and do on the bell notification. Another more 500 to go. So guys, come on, encourage, do subscribe the channel. Now let us not waste our time. Let's dive into our today's topic or agenda. So guys, in this particular video, we'll be discussing about an important special OS, especially for data scientists and even data science enthusiasts who want to learn data science. So guys, for them, which OS will be better? So if your RAM is of 3 GB or 4 GB of RAM, and if your laptops are lagging a lot, then you can use this particular Linux OS, which I am going to show you all today, in which all the data science related apps and even the features are inbuilt. You don't need to install again and again. Once you just install that particular OS, everything is inbuilt. Everyone can try this OS. I'll be showing you all alternative method how you can try in your laptop in this particular Windows system itself. Even I am using the Windows 11, you can see here, but I'll be launching Linux in this particular Linux OS in this particular PC itself without removing my Windows. Only for this video I cannot remove the entire Windows OS for that particular OS, right? So guys, I'll be using VMware for that. So previously I have done a videos related to virtual machines and VMwares, in which I have shown you all how you can get a free cracked version of VMware. You don't need to install, you don't need to pay for the premium. You will be getting the free version also, but premium one, if you want, you can get it for free. At there I have showed you all an GitHub repo at where all the codes are available, working codes for getting premium version, but that was for VMware 16 Pro, but the installation process will be same. I'll be giving that particular video link also in this video description. You can check out that particular video to see the installation process. So this is VMware 17 Pro's cheat sheet. You can say that sheet in which all the codes are available. All the premium codes are available. You can check out that. You can see whichever is working for you, you can use that. So I'll be using VMware 17 Pro only for this particular video. So I'm just starting with the VMware. I have already installed. If you want the installation process, just check out the video. It will be in the iCard session, as well as it will be in this particular video description. So I'll be creating the virtual machine first. So guys, the OS I'm using for this particular video and the OS which is very helpful for data scientists is DAT Linux, DAT Linux. You can check about that. Let us directly launch and see at here itself. I'll be showing you all. So I have a disk already available, so I'll just click on browse. And I'll be using that particular disk is in my local disk C, and I have created a folder for that called OS. So this is that particular ISO file. I'll be giving that DAT Linux page also. Wait, let me show you all the page first. It will be better. Yeah. So guys, this is the page for DAT Linux to download the DAT Linux. You can see here the just system requirements are 3 GB RAM and 20 GB. This is enough. If your system is slow and if you're not able to work with the Windows and it's lagging a lot, then my best recommendation for the data scientist will be that just switch to Ubuntu or else this particular DAT Linux. You can work well with this. So let me just continue to launch this. So I have already installed this ISO file. You can directly install the ISO file using that particular website. I'll be giving the website link also in this video description. I'll be just opening this. So this is done. So actually VMware cannot detect that particular OS which we are using, but this DAT Linux at the background, it is like it will be running with the help of Ubuntu only. So we can directly select it as Linux, and if it asks for the configuration, just check the version for Ubuntu 64. If it is not showing, select Ubuntu 64-bit, or you can select normal Ubuntu also in this all. Anything is of your choice. Click on next. So now it is asking for the preferences where that particular image should be saved. So I would recommend you all, if you are a Windows user, if you just want to try it out, then my recommendation will be that just in whichever folder your OS is available, right? Select that folder only for default for saving all the images, so that it will be easy for you all to delete afterwards if you want to delete that particular OS. So I'm selecting the same OS folder and I'm clicking OK. So the path at where all the files and everything whichever I'll be working in VMware, that particular instance will be saved in this particular folder itself. I'll click next. So it is asking for the RAM and ROM. So I have given the storage of 20 GB for this. 20 GB is enough. I have select, you can use either store in a single disk, or else you can even select multiple disk, whichever is comfortable for you all. I'll be just taking single disk only for now. I have already allotted this this one, customize hardware. I can just select customize hardware and I can check. So I have just allotted for this particular OS only 2 GB of RAM. So let me just allot 4 GB. It's fine. I'll be allotting 4 GB for this. And I'll be giving 200 GB process. Now click on close. It's done. Now 4 GB is done. Now let me just click on finish. Once I click on finish, now the configuration is done. So that particular OS is available here. I'll just directly click on power on the virtual machine. So I'll click on OK, and let me make this full screen so that it will be easy for you all and it will be visible for you all also. So now I'm using that particular OS. So VMware is starting that particular OS. So let me just first show you all the trial version of DAT Linux. So in this I have selected try. So the trial version is coming out. Let the trial version to load. Let's wait for the time. Let it to load. So you can see here. So this is the interface for the DAT Linux. It's loading the DAT Linux interface right now. So let it to complete the configuration. The UI will be available. It's taking time a bit because I have just allotted it 4 GB of RAM, right? 4 GB of RAM, and plus parallelly background many applications are running, right? So it is taking a bit time. So this is the image which I was telling you all about. So you can just it is just saying you all welcome to the DAT Linux. If you want, you can install. To install this Linux completely in your laptop, you can just use this Install DAT Linux completely. But we don't require, I guess, because we'll be just using this image for certain time in VMware. After some time, we'll be disposing it. So it's of your choice. If you want, you can try that. So these are the features which are available in DAT Linux. You can even see that it is showing you all the files available in this particular Linux, the CPU usage, RAM, and everything will be shown here. And even you can see here, Dask control panel, Dask Linux control panel is this. You can see here everything is available. Orange, Jupyter Lab, and Git is also already available in this dataset E, and even some more like data related things are available. Data cleaner, many other features are available in this. So you can see a data science extras are there, CSV kit assistance, data science ebook, Julia is available in this. R cheat sheets are available for working, and admin access. In admin access also there are some features available. And even if you come here and if you just click on the graphics, you have some like graphics related things. When you come to programming, you have your Python IDE is inbuilt in this. VS Code, see VS Codium is available. Jupyter Lab, Julia, and when it comes to the internet, there are many other things already available in this. DAT Linux control panel, help, accessories are available in this. Many accessories are there. Vim is available in this. Additional hard drives and everything, screensaver, software settings, everything is available in this particular Linux image. So let us just give a try. Let me open a command prompt and let me just check the, so it is showing that, right? Let me just check the Python version in this. So normally in Linux you have to type Python 3, remember that, Python 3 -- version. Sudo apt install and Debian name. So Python 3 not found. No, there is no chance. Python 3 should be available by default in Linux systems. Moreover, this is using Ubuntu. Yeah. So I made a mistake. I entered the capital B, so only it was showing that. So you can see here, the current Python version which is available in this .NET Linux is 3.10.6. So guys, it comes to your choice, like which Linux you are going to select, whether it's Ubuntu or Dart. I guess I can maximize the screen. There are some options in this to VMware to maximize the screen, but I am not trying it right now. So you can see here, even for internet, this is the one I guess you have to use for internet to check the browser. And even you can download your customized applications according to your requirements. It is using DuckDuckGo. You can change accordingly the requirements and you can use it. This is user-friendly Linux application in which all are already available. You can see here, Jupyter Lab is available, Jupyter Notebook is available. Let us try with Jupyter Notebook once. So setup require, let us press Y, enter. So it is just updating the plugins and repositories which are available for this Jupyter Lab. So it is installing that particular requirements. Let's wait for it to install. You can make this customized. Even you can make your command prompt to black. I mean your black screen. This is at the white screen, right? You can even customize. You can make the settings and make it black screen and everything. You can change accordingly. Just you have to explore about this. Just explore and make accordingly. So it's done with the installation. Jupyter Lab is installed. Let's wait for the notebook to start. Okay, it's using the LibreWolf website, this one, web page. Yeah. Okay, so now let's directly create here one Python file. Even R is inbuilt, so it is showing the R option also. You can use whichever is of your requirement. So let's try with something. Let's run the basic command itself. Print hello subscribers. Execute. Print is not defined. Why is this giving? Print is not defined. Print why it's showing print is not defined. Let us try with something else. A is equals to 2, B is equals to 3, run. This is running. Why print was not showing? I guess there is some settings required to be changed. Let me again try with print once. Yeah. Or I have entered something wrong, I guess. Print A plus B previously. Yeah. Previously, I guess I have entered the spelling wrong, I guess. Now let me try the same. Yeah, it's working. I guess previously I have entered the spelling by mistake. Sorry for that. So you can see here it is working. To just launch the Jupyter Lab, it did not even take me 5 minutes also. This UI is very helpful for data scientists and even the data enthusiasts who want to learn data science and parallelly if your system requirements are very slow, like if the RAM and ROM and everything is slow and even the Windows is lagging a lot, then you can switch to DAT Linux and you can try out, you can customize the features, you can even add more features in the Linux OS. So guys, that's all for today's video. Do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you all. Bye bye. See you all in the next video.